Tbilisi, the vibrant capital of Georgia, is a city where history, culture, and modern life converge in a remarkable blend. Nestled on the banks of the Kura River and framed by the Caucasus Mountains, Tbilisi has been a crossroads of civilizations for centuries, absorbing Persian, Byzantine, Russian, Ottoman, and European influences, while maintaining a distinctly Georgian identity. The city's population exceeds 1.2 million within its metropolitan area, making it the largest urban center in Georgia. Tbilisi is renowned for its picturesque old town, eclectic architecture, bustling markets, thriving art scene, and warm hospitality, which gives the city its nickname as a place of warm hearts. Tbilisi's history stretches back over 1,500 years, with its foundation traditionally dated to 458 AD by King Vakhtang Gorgasali. Over the centuries, the city has been shaped by trade, conquest, and diplomacy, serving as a key stop along the Silk Road. Its historic core, the Old Town Altstadt, features narrow cobbled streets, colorful balconies, centuries-old churches, and bathhouses that highlight the city's diverse influences. Landmarks such as the Narikala Fortress, Sioni Cathedral, and Anchiskati Basilica reflect Tbilisi's rich religious and architectural heritage. Despite periods of invasion, earthquake damage, and political turbulence, Tbilisi has continuously rebuilt itself, blending tradition with modernity. The city is divided into distinctive neighborhoods, each offering a unique atmosphere. Old Town is the historic heart, filled with winding streets, boutique hotels, art galleries, cafes, and cultural sites. Rustaveli Avenue, the city's main thoroughfare, features theaters, government buildings, museums, and luxury shops, providing a cosmopolitan urban experience. Suburban districts such as Veke, Suburtalo, and Memtitsminda are known for residential comfort, parks, and schools. Average apartment rents in Tbilisi range from $300 to beyond $200 per month, depending on location, size, and amenities. Purchase prices vary from $50,000 for modest apartments in older districts to over $400,000 for modern luxury apartments in central areas or scenic hillside locations overlooking the river. Real estate near the Old Town or new waterfront developments often commands premium prices, reflecting high demand from locals, expatriates, and investors. Real estate in Tbilisi has evolved rapidly in the past 2 decades, fueled by tourism, foreign investment, and urban development. Luxury apartment complexes, high-rise buildings, and restored historic properties cater to both local elites and international buyers. Modern residential projects typically include security systems, parking, gyms, and green spaces. Meanwhile, renovated historical buildings retain their unique character while providing contemporary living conditions. The real estate market also benefits from Georgia's investor-friendly policies, offering opportunities for long-term growth and rental income. Commercial real estate, including offices, hotels, and retail spaces, has expanded to meet the needs of an increasingly dynamic economy. Tbilisi's economy is diverse and growing. While historically reliant on trade, light industry, and agriculture, the city now thrives on tourism, finance, information technology, and services. The Georgian government has prioritized reforms, investment incentives, and infrastructure development, transforming Tbilisi into a regional economic hub. The city attracts both domestic and foreign businesses, supported by modern banking systems, co-working spaces, and a skilled workforce. Tourism is a major driver of the local economy, with visitors drawn to Tbilisi's history, architecture, festivals, and vibrant food scene. Retail, hospitality, and creative industries further contribute to economic vitality. Cultural life in Tbilisi is dynamic, reflecting the city's long history and diverse influences. Tbilisi is home to numerous museums, theaters, galleries, and cultural centers. The Georgian National Museum, Rustaveli Theater, Tbilisi Opera and Ballet Theater, and the Museum of Fine Arts are just a few of the city's cultural institutions. Festivals celebrating film, music, dance, literature, and wine attract visitors year-round. Street art, contemporary galleries, and independent theaters offer modern expressions of Georgian creativity. Churches, synagogues, mosques, and historic bathhouses reflect the city's multicultural past, contributing to its cosmopolitan character. Tbilisi is filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. The Abano-Tubani district, known for its sulfur baths, offers a unique historical and cultural experience. Maiden Bazaar and Dry Bridge Market showcase local handicrafts, antiques, and art, offering visitors the chance to interact with local artisans. Quiet streets in Sololaki or Mtatsminda reveal stunning 19th century mansions with ornate balconies and gardens. Modern attractions such as the Bridge of Peace, Reich Park, and the Funicular provide panoramic city views and leisure opportunities. Nearby natural escapes, including Turtle Lake and Mtatsminda Park, offer hiking trails, recreational activities, and scenic vistas of the city and surrounding mountains. Cuisine in Tbilisi is rich, flavorful, and deeply tied to Georgian culture. Traditional dishes include kinkali, dumplings, khachapuri, cheese-filled bread, menti svadi, grilled meat skewers, lobio, bean stew, and pakali, vegetable and walnut spreads. Street vendors, markets, and family-run eateries offer authentic tastes, while high-end restaurants experiment with modern interpretations of Georgian cuisine. Wine culture is central to social life, with Tbilisi considered one of the world's oldest wine-producing cities. Local wines paired with regional dishes form an integral part of dining experiences. Cafés and bakeries provide casual spaces to enjoy traditional sweets, coffee, and tea. Education in Tbilisi is well developed, with numerous schools, universities, and language centers. Leading institutions include Tbilisi State University, Free University of Tbilisi, Ilia State University, and the Georgian Technical University. These universities offer programs in sciences, arts, business, engineering, and social studies. International schools and private academies cater to expatriate families and locals seeking diverse educational options. Vocational training centers and art schools nurture skilled professionals, supporting Tbilisi's economic and cultural sectors. Libraries, museums, and cultural centers complement formal education, fostering a vibrant intellectual environment. Transportation in Tbilisi combines modern infrastructure with traditional systems. The Tbilisi Metro, buses, minibuses, marshrutkas, taxis, and ride-hailing services provide mobility within the city. Roads and bridges connect Tbilisi to suburban districts and neighboring regions. Despite traffic congestion during peak hours, public transport remains efficient and affordable. Tbilisi International Airport connects the city to destinations across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, supporting tourism, business, and international trade. Urban planning and ongoing infrastructure projects continue to improve accessibility and quality of life. Sports and outdoor activities are integral to life in Tbilisi. Football, rugby, basketball, and martial arts are widely practiced, with local clubs fostering community participation. Hiking, cycling, and jogging are popular in parks and on trails such as those at Mtatsminda and Turtle Lake. The city hosts sporting events, marathons, and competitions that attract both local and international participants. Recreational spaces, public parks, and leisure facilities enhance physical activity and social engagement. Seasonal festivals, concerts, and outdoor markets contribute to the city's vibrant social life. Housing in Tbilisi reflects its diverse character and growth. Historic districts feature renovated apartments and 19th century mansions with balconies, wooden shutters, and courtyards. Modern residential complexes in Vake, Sabertalo, and newer waterfront developments offer high-rise apartments, security systems, gyms, parking, and communal gardens. Suburban districts provide larger houses and villas, appealing to families seeking tranquility and green surroundings. The real estate market offers opportunities for buyers, renters, and investors, driven by tourism, foreign interest, and ongoing urban development projects. Nightlife in Tbilisi is eclectic and lively. From wine bars and traditional taverns to modern clubs, rooftop lounges, and live music venues, the city offers entertainment for diverse tastes. The Old Town hosts intimate venues with folk music, jazz, and modern performances, while Rustaveli Avenue and Vake feature nightlife catering to younger crowds and expatriates. Cultural events, art exhibitions, and seasonal festivals extend social life into the evening, creating a vibrant urban atmosphere. Tbilisi's natural surroundings enhance its appeal. The Caucasus Mountains, Kura River, and nearby national parks provide opportunities for hiking, adventure sports, and scenic exploration. Turtle Lake, Tatsminda Park, and Lisi Lake offer recreational spaces within the city, while day trips to surrounding villages, wine regions, and historic sites allow visitors to experience Georgia's diverse landscapes and heritage. These natural attractions complement urban life, promoting wellness, tourism, and outdoor engagement. Economically, Tbilisi continues to modernize and diversify. Tourism, finance, technology, and services are expanding rapidly, supported by government reforms and international partnerships. Investments in infrastructure, housing, and business development contribute to employment and urban growth. Cross-border trade and regional commerce strengthen the city's economic position, while cultural tourism, festivals, and culinary experiences enhance local income and global recognition. Hidden historical and cultural gems enrich Tbilisi's identity. Ancient churches, artisan workshops, historic squares, and museums reveal layers of history, while modern galleries, street art, and cultural centers showcase contemporary creativity. Cafés, tea houses, and markets provide spaces for social interaction and cultural exchange. These elements create a city that is both historically grounded and forward-looking, appealing to tourists, residents, and investors alike. Education, culture, cuisine, natural beauty, and economic opportunities converge to make Tbilisi a city of exploration and possibility. Its real estate market, urban planning, and cultural infrastructure offer opportunities for residents, investors, and travelers. Hidden gems, parks, historical sites, and contemporary attractions provide endless discovery. Tbilisi is a city where history, modernity, and lifestyle intersect, creating a rich, multifaceted urban experience. Walking through Tbilisi streets, exploring its old town, markets, parks, and museums, one experiences a city that is dynamic, welcoming, and full of character. Tbilisi is a place where every corner tells a story, every neighborhood offers a unique experience, and every view highlights the interplay of history, culture, and modern ambition. In conclusion, Tbilisi is a city of heritage, modernity, and vitality, where economic growth, cultural richness, and urban development converge. Its real estate market, economy, and cultural infrastructure provide opportunities for residents and investors, while hidden gems, historical sites, and natural surroundings offer discovery and adventure for travelers. Tbilisi is not just the capital of Georgia, it is a city of warmth, resilience, and enduring beauty. A destination that captivates all who visit.